Hello, awesome person. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, that's awesome. Then just welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. I do unboxings, makeup try-ons, and I throw in all kinds of things to keep you on your toes. And today, I'm going to be doing a challenge. I'm going to be doing a no makeup or I'm going to be doing a no mirror makeup challenge, and I was challenged by Kimmy's Boxes, and I said challenge accepted. So I want to show you guys my little setup here so you know I don't have any mirrors, okay? So down here is don't mind my mess, all that over there, and then back here I have no mirrors. I do have that mirror over there, but I will be facing a different direction. So I do hope you guys see no mirrors at all. And don't mind my little mess. All right. So, all right. Now I'm going to put you guys up and we're going to get this party started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look this way. I'm going to talk to you guys and I'm going to be looking like this because I'm going to be looking like this. And if I do look this way, I'm going to look down because I don't want to cheat. So I want to show you everything I'm going to be using. I normally don't do a full face, but everybody else I seen doing this did a full face. So I'm going to use my Sassy Chick BB Cream Beauty in the shade Light 1. And then my blush, all my blushes and stuff had mirrors, so I taped it. And I'm going to use this whole palette to do my blushing, my, I don't know if it's contouring or bronzing, and my highlight. And then I found this little palette that was sent to me in a giveaway that I won from Mary Catherine Loves Cats. It's the only one that I have that don't have a mirror on it. So I chose to use this today. And then I have a brown mess. And then I have my brown eyeliner. And we're switching it up for sure now to the Lily Lashes mascara because my Tarte Surfling Curl, it's now in my empties bag. And then I'm going to be using my Fully Fire lipstick. And I've got my blush brush, my contouring brush. And then let me see what brushes I want to use for this palette. So I think we'll use this brush here and possibly maybe this brush here. Okay. So, are you guys ready? I'm excited, but I'm like, oh my gosh, I hope it turns out as good as just Nina's, and I hope it turns out just as good as Kimmy's unboxing or Kimmy's boxes and just Nina's and Christina Has Opinions and Horrible Video Skills, I think is, or Terrible Video Skills or something. But there's a few people that I've watched do it. So, all right, here we are. Uh-oh. See if I can get some of that back in there. I don't think I'm going to need that much. Okay. So, how's everybody doing today? I hope that everybody is great. I just spent the holidays with my family, my daughter, and my other daughter and my sons. I got to see grandchildren, my mom, my dad. I got to hang out with some people that I didn't really know. That was my son-in-law's family that showed up, so that was a little interesting. And yeah, so it was super fun. I didn't have to cook at all. As a matter of fact, when I got there, everybody was waiting for my family. I do hope you guys can hear me. If not, I'm super sorry. But yeah. Anyhow, everybody was waiting for me when I got there. We didn't get there till 2 in the afternoon. We do drive 4 hours to get there, but we were not missing family. Okay, so I put that on, just have it out of the way. But next, I'm going to do my that stuff, my eyeliner or my eyeshadow. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dip in and I'm gonna put that there. I'm a little nervous about this, I ain't even gonna lie. I don't know how well it's gonna turn out. I haven't played with this palette yet, so I don't know how pigmented she is or how pigmented she's not. But, oh well, this is just for fun anyways. And I've seen a lot of people use their fingers, but I'm more comfortable with a brush, so I'm closing my eyes because of the way my head is turned. I don't really want to, you know, open my eyes and look, because I feel like it'd be cheating if I looked in my camera because I can see everything that I'm doing. And so I don't want to do that. Okay, so we're going to hope. I'm just going to take a little bit more. I'm so nervous about this. My eyes is the most thing I'm nervous about. So I usually take forever doing my eyes, so I feel like, yeah, I feel like I'm going too fast. Okay. Oh, just a second. Let me look down. What did I do with it? What did I do with it? Oh, okay. Down. All right. So, grab my little thingy here. Oops. I'll just drop that and I'll just clean that. Put that over there. Oops. I'm going to go in with this color here. Okay, so I'm sure this is going to look super horrible because I only know how to do makeup certain ways. And yeah, we'll see just how horrible it is. I'm going to try to make sure this video isn't that long. Okay, I am feeling, so I kind of know where to put it at, because, oops, uh-oh, I lost lighting, just a second. Okay, let me pause you guys for a second. I lost lighting. Okay, I think. Okay, yep. My cat knocked my plug out of the wall. And so that's why I paused you, but I promise I didn't look at anything. I just plugged it back in, set the lights up again. I don't know if it's brighter or not because I couldn't look in the mirror, or not the mirror, the camera. Okay, so we're gonna go back. I should have. Hopefully my cat won't do that again. All right, so anyways, I don't even know what I was talking about now. Okay, well, we'll just start something new. Anyhow, I do hope you guys can hear me like I said. I just recorded a video and I'm not sure what happened, but there's no voice. So I'm going to try to see if I can do a voiceover with it. If not, then, nope. I'll have to redo it. Okay, so where's that? Oh, okay. You grab my thingy again and clean it off. And then I'm just grabbing my other brush here. We're going to use this right here. Maybe maybe it'll pick up. Oh, I don't know. Let me look down. I have spray here. Let me spray this really quick. Okay, spray it. Dude, that's what I do anyways. Let me see. This might just be the wrong brush too. I didn't think about that. Okay, I'm gonna put that up here. Okay. And then this here. This is really awkward. Doing the makeup, it's not awkward. It's the looking at nothing and talking and thinking how weird I seem to be at the moment for talking to a curtain. That's what it feels like. It feels like I'm talking to a curtain. That's so funny, but okay. I do hope this turns out halfway decent. If not, oh well, it's just for fun, right? Okay, so I normally would like to go in with a lot of shimmer, so I'm going to try to do that here. I don't know how well it's working. I'm sure you guys can see better than me, but I'm done with that now. And I'm done with this stuff. So I'll put that there. And I'm going to go ahead and grab this. I'm done with it. I'm going to put that over there. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is my eyeliner. And let me just guide my line. Let's see. Hopefully it's not that bad. But we'll find out. Okay. I don't feel like they got on my skin all the way. Alright, so there's that. I have this feeling that I'm and then the mascara. I have this feeling that I'm going to look like a clown when I'm done, and I'm okay with that because I like clowns, so why not? Why not? But then again, I feel like I may do decent at this job because once upon a time, I used to put makeup on in the dark when I was a kid because I used to sneak out and I wanted to look nice. So I would put my makeup on in the dark. So I might actually do decent with this. I don't like this mascara, but I want to use it before I open another one. I hope it dries out soon. I'm super sad that I wasn't able to save my Tarte Surfing Curl Mascara, but it is what it is. And then, all right, so here's my bronzer brush. I'm gonna clean that off. Look what happened to it. What happened to it? Okay, so remember the side of mirror, no mirror. We're going to take this color to bronze with, and we're going to do that there. And then grab some, and I'm going to do that there. So I normally don't tag people, but today I think I might. And if I tag you or challenge you, just know you don't have to do it at all. I just think it would be something fun that you might like to do. And I'm going to use my finger to do that with. Okay. And then put that over there. Let's see. Ooh, is that all I got left? Is the lippy? Ooh, I'm getting scared, you guys. I'm getting scared. I am getting scared. Okay. Okay. Let's see. And of course, I chose a red lippy. Oh. Alrighty. So are we ready? Are we ready to see the final outcome? Because I am. Ta-da! Wah, wah, wah. Look at that. Ooh. I did a pretty damn good job. Just a second. I need to find a mirror. Oh, there we go. Pulled the mirror out. Ooh. It's not bad, actually. I mean, down here is a little bit lower than up here. But look at that. I'm like better than I thought I was. That's pretty cool. All right, so I feel like I am so off right now. Okay, so, alrighty. I want to tag Lori Latimer or challenge Lori Latimer or Sister Fantastic. I also want to challenge Becky's Empty Nest. And I also want to challenge Kathy Brash. So I have challenged 3 of my fellow YouTubers and friends. If you would like to do this challenge, that would be super duper awesome. If not, I completely understand. So there is my no mirror makeup challenge. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. And I think that I'm not gonna edit anything in this video, so you get everything that you seen except for the little pause because I lost my lights for a minute thanks to my kitty. Alrighty, that's all I have for you today. Remain awesome. Peace.